Wooster here with Wooster and Kickoff Realty at Sarasota Mod Weekend in the Umbrella House. Commissioned by Phil Hiss and designed by Paul Rudolph. Probably Lambie and some of the other cohorts may have built this. Anyway, let's have a little walk around and show you what's here. Having a party for Mod Weekend 2025. This is one of the bedrooms upstairs. Jalousie windows, floor to ceiling. Big king size bed in here, 3 doors across for storage. There's portholes at the top or for ventilation. More floor to ceiling jalousie windows. Vintage tile. Nice bathroom. Straight out of the 50s, mid-century modern. And you can even see the 5-gallon toilet. Okay, now let's go across to the other bedroom and I'll take you downstairs after that. So a little bridge across the top here. Steps up to another bedroom / studio. Some built-ins. 3 more closets, more portholes for ventilation. Another bathroom here. Toilet, shower. Now let's take a walk downstairs. Front of the house is jalousie windows all the way to the roof from the ground floor. Walk you out front for a minute here. We're having a party here. This is the Kickoff for Mod Weekend. And there it is. As you can see. And the downstairs bedroom or office, den, whatever you'd like to use it for. Another ensuite bathroom downstairs. Full shower. And walk across. See the rest of the house. Sunken living room here. Step down into the sunken living room. Fireplace, bookshelf. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Dining area. And this goes into the kitchen where they are cooking food and making wonderful party favors for everybody. Let's walk outside and see the pool area and the umbrella. There we go. Steps down. Here's the cocktail party. We're having a hell of a good time. Hell of a good time. That's it for Mod Weekend 2025. Albert Wooster from Albert Wooster and Company Realty. Take care, everyone.